they pluck them out, and then the beak is the last because she's using the beak. I always say she when it comes to eagle. I don't know why.
It sounds like female to me.
So that's female, right? But there has to be male eagle.
Of course I do.
So
you're just loving on the females. It's okay.
She uses her beak to pluck everything out or whatever, and then finally the beak, which is one of the hardest part of it all, is she has to literally bust it off on a rock, like she has to tear it out, and well, because it doesn't stop growing, whenever she plucks the old stuff out, over the weeks it starts to grow back. And that's the renewal of the eagle. I know we always talk about
how long does it take?
Weeks. It takes a while.
Okay.
We always talk about the phoenix and rising from the ashes or whatever, but it's true because they're very like graceful.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever the where was that, babe? That's pregnancy brain. You see what I tell you? Pregnancy brain affects me too. so that's the painful part of it, right? Taking the beak out or whatever. Now after a while it grows back, and I was speaking about the
I know it would come back.
Definitely come back. The phoenix. So the eagle is really, in essence, the only bird that is like the phoenix, because it comes from a stage where it's old and like dying.
Oh, I'm sorry, Webb.
Oh, what I wanted. So this is the last part of the story.
Please don't be distracted now, babe. Let's hear the story.
Therefore, we have to see what they said, babe. So what happened is that after the phoenix, which is the eagle, because it's the only one that comes back. I don't know about any bird coming back in fire. But so it renews after a while the feathers grow back, the talons grow back, and the beak grows back. But when it grows back, what happened, babe?
Yeah, interrupt yourself. Sorry for the power. He's the one interrupting himself. See, I'm just looking at the screen and reading and he's stopping. She's saying that we keep interrupting you.
No. You have to see what they're saying. USA is at 72. So after everything grows back, now the eagle has now extended its life, and I'll go back to see if I can find out. Like it literally extends maybe like 20 more years on its life because of that process. Like, so you're dying, you're getting to that point where you're going to die because you can't hunt anymore, and you go through that very, very, very painful process, that regenerative process that you're adding years to your life basically. And so now it's like fresh, it's experienced because it used to hunt before, that didn't go away. Now it's stronger, having gone through all of that.
With all that strength. Ooh,
So now when it's back after that regenerative stage, then it's going to be a more powerful hunter, more stronger, more fierce. And
want to make a sandwich for you for tomorrow?
no, it's okay, babe. And this is why you guys are eagles, because my wife here wants to motivate each and every one that listens to her to be that fierce, aggressive go-getter. Like, do not take no for an answer. Do not accept defeat. Do not just roll over and die when you have the power in your hands, when you have a way to make it happen, when you have a way to just go and get it. So that is why the eagle resonates with her, and just her drive and her force, like even being here, creating content and everything. And I think she's tired now, and I'm gonna go pluck out her beak and her feathers. What?
You. My beak and my feathers.
I'm just messing. Huh. So she's tired. I think she's gonna go away right now. You tired, babe?
I've been tired.
Okay, she's
ever
tired.
Since I woke
Bye,
this
y'all.
morning. So yeah. Thank you, babe. Thank you for always having my back.